Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC game not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method what you need to do is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So go to the Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon over here and then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after this, check if you can play the game. If not, then the next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you have to type -dx11 and then check if you can launch the game. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the problem. Epic Games users, simply go to the Epic Games and select library. Now click on three dots beside the game and select manage. Move to the launch option. So here I will show you Epic Games. Just go to your library section, simply click or select this three dot icon, then click on manage, and here you can see the launch options. Enable it and simply type -dx11 first and then check if it is working, or come back again and type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, Steam users, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Now after verifying, check if the problem is resolved or not. Epic Games users, go to library. Now select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see verify option. You simply need to click on verify option and the game will be verified. EA Games users, just open EA app, then select the game and click on manage and then tap on repair option. Next is to update graphics cards. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is update available for the drivers. After updating, launch the game and see if you can play it. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link already provided in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties and click on compatibility. Select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Apart from this, you should also run ea anti-cheat.game service launcher.exe file and then check if this helps to launch the game. If not, next solution is to allow Battlefield REDSEC through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, or simply search for Windows security. Now open it, click on Firewall and network protection, allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings. Now here you have to select the game. If not, you have to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section and select the game where your game has been installed, select the application, and now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, or simply type check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and this will check if any update is available. If there is any update, simply update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and see if this helps. Next is to perform a clean boot. So what you need to do is simply press Windows plus R and type msconfig, press OK. Now system configuration pop-up will occur. Click on services and here click on hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. After that, then click on OK. Now go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here you have to select the application. After selecting it, click on disable option. Once done, again go back, click on apply and OK, and after that check if this has resolved the problem. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game, and this can be the reason for the game crashing or not launching. So you are suggested to lower the graphic settings and then try to play the game. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. Sometimes overclocking makes the CPU and GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to close unnecessary background task. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Process tab here, you are suggested to check and find those apps which are of no use. Simply select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it and click on End Task. So this will close the app completely that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go through the link already provided in the description, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and here you have to click on these both links and download them. Now after downloading it, install them, and after installing, restart your PC and then log into the game and then check if it resolves the problem. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings and click on Advanced, then click on Change. Here select the game folder, game drive where your game has been installed. After selecting, select custom size, type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, then click on in-game. Here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. After that, launch the game and see if it resolves. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside your username. Click on General and from here switch off in-game overlay option. For EA games, just open the EA app, then launch the game. After that, click on the triple bar on the left side, then choose Settings. Now click on the Application tab and scroll down the content to find and toggle off in-game overlay option from here. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus program if you have any installed, and after that try to play the game. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphic settings, search for graphic settings, click on it. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, now Steam, then Steam apps, common, and here is the game. You have to add it. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Now after that, launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Battlefield REDSEC game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall Battlefield REDSEC game once again, and then try to play it and see if this helps to resolve the problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on Battlefield REDSEC game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.